So in this problem, we want to find the units digit. That is the number, that is the digit that is closest to the decimal point to the right of the decimal point. Now, anytime you see a number like this, you have 3 to the 2017. Now I can reach for my calculator and try 3 to the 2017, and it gives me an overflow. And these problems are designed for this problem so that you cannot use your calculator as much as you want to. And so here's how you tackle this. There's no way I can figure out this number, but here's what I can do. I can notice a pattern. 3 to the first is 3. There's the units digit. 3 squared is 9. That's the units digit. 3 to the third is 27. There's the units digit. 3 to the fourth is 81. Notice that I'm starting with numbers that I can find with my calculator. 3 to the fifth is 243. 3 to the sixth is 729. 3 to the seventh is 2187. 3 to the eighth is 6561. Notice the units digits, 3971, 3971. They're going to keep doing this all the way up to 3 to the 2017. Now notice, what do we care about? All we care about is the units digit. So the question is, well, how many cycles of this? Well, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this goes in cycles of 4. So what I can do is I can take 2017 and I can divide by 4. And when I get that, I get 504.25. So if we think about that, it's going to go through this cycle 504 times. And what about the 0.25? That's like a remainder of 1. So that means we're going to end up with a units digit of 3 here. So that's what the units digit is going to be for that number. Now, what about 2 to the 2016? Guess what? A similar pattern emerges. 2 to the first is 2. 2 to the second is 4. 2 to the third is 8. 2 to the fourth is 16. 2 to the fifth is 32. It's already started to repeat. 2 to the sixth is 64. 2 to the seventh is 128. 2 to the eighth is 256. So you have 2486, 2486. It again goes in a cycle of 4. So what that means is I take 2016, divide by 4, and I get 504. So that means I'm going to go through these cycles 504 times. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and end right here. So 2 to the 2016 is going to equal some long number, and it's going to end with a 6. So the question is, what if we take this huge long number and subtract this huge long number? What's the units digit? Well, I subtract this from this. Now, how do we do that? Well, you can't take 3 minus 6, you're going to get a negative. And 3 to the 2017 is bigger than 2 to the 2016. Well, what we say is, well, we would have to borrow. And do we care? No, we just know there's something there to borrow from. So we treat this as like it was a 13 minus 6, and we get 7. And there's our units digit. There's our answer.